Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of fasting tracker. We click on settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about fasting tracker and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about fasting tracker. If you find update, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.